Hi everyone, today we are going to show you another awesome and very simple shift tip. Have you ever lost the page you was reading in a book? If you mark the page by sliding back the corner of it, the book paper will look awful. If you don't want your book to be crumpled, the only thing you need is a very simple household item, a piece of sticky paper. Do it this way and your books will stay nice and won't be crumpled.
That's the shifty way. If you like this video, you might be interested in some other stuff. Click to watch these awesome tips as well. If you don't want to miss our new videos on every Thursday, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.